Since 2005, Casual Plus Online has offered plus-size women, juniors, and teens an affordable place to find trendy clothing and accessories, beating their competitors' prices usually by 50% or more. I first discovered Casual Plus in 2008. From the moment I saw their prices and experienced their quality, I became hooked. I left behind the competitors, of which I was a very regular customer, and made all of my online clothing purchases exclusively at casual-plus.com. That was until I purchased my first smartphone in 2012. I know you're probably wondering a few things. One, why it took me so long to join the 21st century and buy a smartphone. I know, I was a bit late to the party. You're also probably wondering how the purchase of a new phone stopped me from being a customer. And the answer to that is simple. I just stopped visiting the site. Like most of the world, my desire to shop online grew with time, and so did the distance between myself and conventional computers. I quickly adapted to shopping on my phone, and within a year, most of my purchases were made with the tap of a thumb and not the click of a mouse. Due to casual-plus.com's lack of mobile friendliness, I got tired of the squished images, slow loading time, terrible navigation, and I was willing to pay a bit more for my clothes just for a better user experience. I'm not sure if my story is a common one. I could very well be the only one of casual-plus.com's customers who couldn't take the site's lack of mobile capability. But losing one customer for this reason is simply one too many. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Courtney Sanders, and I would like to make your website and your customers' user experience incredible. To start, we're going to drag Casual Plus Online into modern times. It's not just for an aesthetic lift, but definitely to move the site into a mobile-friendly zone. I won't want to burden you with tech talk, and I dare not mention the fact that the site is not currently working on HTML5, but let's talk about responsive design a bit. Right now you're viewing the desktop view, but let's look at the tablet view. Look how great this site looks in a tablet view. Let's click on the item. The description, the price, everything looks really good from this angle. As you can see, we've done more than just create a responsive design or a mobile-friendly design. We've actually created a stronger aesthetic appeal, which is enhancing the overall clarity of the site. If you take notice of the fonts in the header, as well as in the navigation, everything is clear and easy to read. Nothing's muddied or of poor quality. Also, we've changed the positioning of the search bar so that it is in a more convenient, more obvious place, as well as added this nice shopping cart icon. Definitely familiar, definitely something your customers are used to. Speaking of icons, icons are great for creating a strong visual presence. Customers will definitely feel more connected to things that they can both see and read. Perhaps two of the most important improvements made to the revised site, other than the mobile-friendly design, are the improved streamlined navigation as well as social media links. These two implementations significantly improve user experience while allowing for social media connectivity. Right now, I'm sure you're probably wondering what all these fabulous changes are going to cost and how much time it will take you to make them. And I'm going to tell you, the cost to improve your website is far cheaper than what you risk losing if you don't make the necessary improvements. Now, there is one other very necessary step to enhancing user experience, and that is usability testing. One of my favorite companies is usertesting.com, but it doesn't matter what company you choose, just as long as user testing is done regularly. Testing, if nothing else, will allow you to give your customers the experience they deserve and the ability for your web store to thrive. Again, my name is Courtney Sanders, and I want to prepare your site for greater web success.